Hello there. I am going to explain in this video how to manage your events. Events could be a CE submitted event or one that you've created, or say you're holding some kind of function and you want everyone to know about it. This is where you can manage those. There's two levels to it. You have the event, and then you also have event categories. Just something to know: when a CE submits a category or an event, it puts it in its own CE category, so you don't have to worry about creating those. It'll create it automatically. Let's actually start by managing categories. So you go to Events, Item in your menu, and Manage Category Sub-Item, and here we'll list all of the current event categories. In this case we have none, so we'll create one. At the bottom right there's a little plus circle, so we'll quickly create one, and you just simply add a name to the category. So test category, and hit create category, and there it is. If you need to edit it, just click on the pencil icon. So we'll go back to manage events, and this list here will show all of the events in the system. Unless you want to filter it, you can sort by unapproved, approved, the category they are in, all that kind of stuff. Show how many, and you have your generic search, which searches all the fields as you're typing it in. And finally you also have a per column search, which should help with filtering some results down once you get lots of events in here. Another thing to note too, in this system, the events when they are expired and done, they will be removed automatically after a few months' time. So let's create one. Again, they have a little plus circle in the bottom right. Now there's a lot more information to put in for these events, but we'll go through it really quickly. Event reference, because everything is multilingual, this is just for the admin to understand what the event is about. Let's just call it test event. Category, this is where we created the category, so it's in the test category. How appropriate. When is it going to be? Let's say December 10th to the 16th in 2017. Let's say it's approved. One thing to note: when a CE submits an event, it's not approved, and admin will be emailed to say that they need to approve it, and this is where you would approve it. Let's set a start time. Let's say it's at 10 o'clock in the morning and ends at noon. So that's simple. Is this event online? Alright, let's say it's a webcast. Yeah. And it's at www.test.com. Perfect, so they go there to see it online. The organization, called test.org. All this information is filled out by the CE when they submit an event, but in this case we're not doing it that way. That will be for another video. Just quickly filling this out. Where's it going to be? Test Street, Canada, Ontario, Toronto, zip. And okay, so now we have the content of it. You choose the language. If it is a multilingual or you have other languages set up, then you would set up the content for each of those languages. So then here we go. One thing to note: if you do have multiple languages and you've set all this up without saving, and you change the language, make sure you save the changes before you change the language. Here we do the title again. How many CEUs is involved in this? You can leave it blank, or you can just put a number in. Any other information, whatever it is, you can put there. And the event content, you can make some fancy information about the event, and you can modify it and make it very bold and large, or however you would like to do it. So that is how you would create an event here. So you go save changes. There you go. Now after you've saved it the first time, you have the ability to add an image to the event. You don't have to. I'll just quickly go through how that could be here. Find an image somewhere. There's a nice car, And here you can, when you upload it, it allows you to crop it or resize it or whatever. Just do that, confirm, and let it upload and wait for the check mark. There you go. If you need to edit it, you can do so by doing that. If you need to re-upload it, just click on the image and it'll allow you to put a new image up. So that's that. If we go back to the list, you'll see that it's here. And also on the front end of the site, if you have it set up to display a calendar on a page, which I'll explain in another video how to set that up, then it will show up there in the appropriate day. I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.